This is the elevator at Edgware Station. The Edgware London train station in London, England. Hopefully, okay, go. Oh, press to open, what the heck? It's a KONE. This is weird. Okay. Well, that's weird. Here we are, 0. That's it. Oh yeah, cab view. There. 3 hours later, we're back here at the Edgware Metro Station in London, England. There's like lights in the. Oh, this one's here. That's to press to operate lift.
Clear the doors. Please clear the doors, please.
It says other side out. That's it.